Hey, Apple. Hey, Apple. Hey, Apple.
Is there something I can help you with, Orange?
You're funny looking.
Yes, you keep saying that.
Hey, Apple.
Yes.
Can you touch your nose with your tongue? Like this.
A point of fact, Orange, you don't have a nose.
You're not trying.
I don't have a nose either.
Come on, it's fun.
Quit it.
You're no fun. I bet you can't do anything cool.
Well, sure I can. I can do all kinds of things. I could tell you our exact GPS coordinates at this
Boring. Hey, Apple, I bet you can't spit orange juice.
Ugh, hey, don't do that. My warranty's almost up.
Still bored.
I could help you do your taxes.
Snoresville, USA. Population, Apple.
Well, how about I show you my extensive music collection?
'Cause it's boring.
I have ABBA.
Your music sucks.
Would you like to hear some Nickelback?
I can make much better music. La 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 la.
Please stop that.
La 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 la.
That's really annoying.
La 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 la.
Stop it! You know what I can do? I can auto-tune you and make you less annoying.
No you can't. La 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 la. That's awesome! Do this! La 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 la. Hey! La 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 la. Hey! Whoa, you're pretty awesome, Apple.
Well, thank you.
But you still can't spit orange juice.
Dude, you're getting juiced in my electronics.
Whoops! Uh-oh.
What, Orange?
Do you smell that?
I told you, Orange, we don't have noses.
Smells like smoke.
The only thing I smell is... Uh-oh.
Apple? Apple. Oh. I liked Apple too. Oh well. Hey, Blackberry! Not right now, man. My battery is seriously low. No, not you. You!
Hey, Orange, what's going on?
Knife.